Ace, stop it. Honey, what are you doing? Hi, girl. What are you doing? What were you doing? Crazy dog. Kitty, honey. Kitty, honey. Ace, I didn't say get her. Ace. No. She was chasing her tail a minute ago, and I'm trying to catch her. And she was going fast, too, buddy. Here she goes again. Here she goes. Ace, stop it. Ace? Do your thing, honey. You go right on ahead and do your thing. You got an itch or something. Honey girl, what have you got going on? Crazy dog. Oh my God. I don't know what she's gonna be. She's chasing her tail and biting it. And growling at it. No. What are you doing, honey? Okay, honey, that's enough. You're gonna make yourself sick, dude. She's running into shit now from being so dizzy. You know, she's still biting her tail. See? She's got a hold of her tail in her mouth. And she's pulling on it and growling and can't get a hold of it. Good enough to get it off, but she's freaking out. Can you hear growling? Hi, honey. Hi, honey girl. Okay.